Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the Philips Multigroom series 5000 trimmer, and today we're gonna discuss about this adjustable beard comb. Okay guys, so what you have to do in the first step, you have to just clean everything. So there is a small brush that comes with it, so you can simply clean it like that. Okay, because there are hairs. Okay, so you can clean it, and then you can also clean this adjustable comb. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so you can clean it. Okay, the second thing is this adjustable beard comb. There is a button over here, and then you can move it. You can see over here. So this is at the moment 3, and then if you push it, you can make it to 4, and then to 5, then to 6, and this one is 7. So now what I will do, I will just put this beard adjustable comb into the trimmer. Okay, so how you can put it, insert it. So simply just move it like this. Okay, you can see over here, just move it like this, and from behind you can just push it. Okay, now it is completely adjusted. So now you can see over here. So I will turn it on. So you can see it is working perfectly fine. Okay, and it has a rubber grip, so you can use it, you can grip it properly. You can see over here. Okay, the thing is, because it has a dual cut technology, there are two blades inside the metal trimmer, so it gives you a really amazing beard trimming experience. So the other thing that I want to show you is, so once you move this button, for example it is now at 3 mm, and if you want to move it 4, so this comb will start moving. So for example I will show you. So now it is at 3, right? So I will move it to 4. So you can see it is moving a little up, then I move to 5. So you can see over here it is moving up, and to 6, and this is the last point, so this is 7. So you can see over here now it is completely up, and then if I turn it on, so you can see this is at 7 mm. So you can see over here. Okay, so this is how it works guys, and then you can adjust the angle to make a very nice looking beard. Okay, so you can see over here. The other thing is, after using it, you can rinse it in the water, because this is waterproof. As you can see, there is a sign over here. And for charging, you have to charge it for like 16 hours, and it gives you 80 minutes of battery time. But there is no light, or there is no indicator over here that will tell you how much battery is left, and or like how much charging is there. So this is a little drawback, but overall it is a premium quality Philips product, and I really like it. I'm using it for like 1 year, and it is giving me a very good experience. So if you want to remove this comb, simply just use your finger, and then simply pull it like that. You can remove the comb, or there is another way. If you don't want to remove the metal trimmer, you can remove it from behind. So if I just pull it like that, so you can see over here the metal trimmer is still inside, and I can put another comb if I want in this metal trimmer. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.